facility for the packing house.
Basically, we are in the packaging house of this ATP, and they are taking produce for the farmers on the basis of certain parameters. So now, Professor will tell us the parameters which they are taken into consideration.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
For example, one farmer come here and they will take when they send the product, what is the commodity and farmer name, how much the weight of the vegetables, and after that they will send here, and who is the checker of the product.
Okay.
And they will
Mark.
And after that they will pack in this facility.
In this way, okay.
Yeah, actually
we will go inside later.
Chiller. We have two chillers. One is for the non-organic product and
One is for organic.
product.
Yeah.
This is the confidence of this.
So the product which is here, it is non-organic. Okay. And this is the product of farmers. Yeah. Which they have given to you. Okay, these are the different standards for different products.
Yes.
Yeah. Lettuce, I can say pachoy.
That's why
So dear friends, we are in the packaging house of ATP, and now the scientist and the manager of this house, they are showing me the products which they package there. So just to build the trust between the buyer and the consumer, they take the produce from the buyer, they keep it here on the basis of different standards which they standardize, they pack here. So Professor sir will tell us what sort of activities they will be performed here after taking the produce from the buyer until it's reached to the consumer.
Okay, first we standardize the farmer activity using the Indonesian Organic Standard.
Yeah.
This is
the logo.
Logo of the. It means that our product and farmer already certified.
Certified with organic.
With organic. And after that we buy from the farmer and packing here, and after that selling to the supermarket.
So basically, sir, this is the certification, which I can say it builds the trust between the consumer and the farmers.
Yes.
Yeah. And the technology for the production for organic is provided by your center. Yeah, they are providing the technology to the farmer, how to grow it, and also have watch on that particular area that whether farmer is following these technology or not. And on the basis when they get the produce, instead of sending direct to the market, they get it buy from farmer. Okay, they first buy. Sir, please tell what sort of activity you will do after getting the produce from the farmer.
Yeah,
buy.
First the farmer will prepare the planting, and after that we harvest time already recorded from our university farm.
Okay.
And after that we buy this product, and after that we pack like this.
Okay.
This is like a standard of packaging, depend on the consumer needs. And we will send this evening maybe to the supermarket.
So this is red spinach, and it is lettuce, which is ready to be served to the consumer, and the size of the package is as per the requirement of that particular we can say buyer.
Yes.
So who are your buyers, sir?
Our buyer is for the supermarket. Supermarket is mean that they will sell also to the
Consumer. Yeah. So supermarket, they have these collaborations, or we can say they have built collaborations with the different supermarkets and different areas regarding the products, and they are selling it to those supermarkets. So just see, you have also found some perforations here, because there are some perforations on the bag just to remove the anaerobic respiration. If the perforations are not there, so after wetting, it will spoil down. But some perforations they have also standardized. Sir, how much perforations are there for one single bag?
Maybe 6.
I think 6 are there. Huh? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And also depending on the size of the bag, it may be up to 9. So just to make the product more, we can say fresh, and it is as per the need of the farmer. So make it the trust between the consumer as well as the institution and the farmer, this logo is helpful for making. So whether they are charging something for organic this logo, you are paying for certification.
Yeah, we're paying for certification in every 3 years.
Every 3 years.
3 years. But every years they will
Visit.
evaluate it, and it means that this is trusted.
That's right.
Also, we sell not only organic product, but also we sell non-organic
Yeah,
product.
yeah.
But we will not put this
Logo, yeah.
Yeah, this is just for make a trust. to the customer.
Yeah. It is very much required.
Yes.
Because in our country we are having this one new project under HADP. This is one of the holistic agriculture development plan where we are developing alternate agriculture systems for different organic. Since I am the head of Center for Organic and Natural Farming, so just because of my knowledge, I am asking this, that how much they are charging after how much time, because in our area we also have to develop such type of pattern. In India, we are having this National Center for Organic Farming and Natural Production. They have this PGS system, plant grading system. They give the logo to the product. So in Indonesia, you are having organic Indonesia.
This is like a private company. Actually.
Okay.
Private company, they are working on this
Certification.
It has a ISNI, which means that like this international standard organization, but this is Indonesian standard number.
Okay.
SNI 67.
Okay. It is Indonesian standard number.
Yes.
Good.
This is Innovis, I think that is certified by this company.
Okay.
Innovis.
Okay.
Yeah. Because not government. It to make it trust.
Yeah.
This is like private
Oh,
company.
since you are saying that after every 3 years they have to evaluate. No, after every year they evaluate it, but after 3 years they have to renew it. Yeah. So it is very good. So I compliment the center as well as to the ARSA for the activities which they are doing. So all the very best. Another bag.
Ini dia semua suruh dulu. Namanya handphone apa?
Which is 12 kg approximately. Friends, today we are in the packaging house and Fina will tell us how they take the produce, how they wash it, grade it, sort it and pack it. So this is the area where they, Fina, you please tell what?
Okay, so this is the nano bubbles machine. So it used to clean the vegetables. So especially for the farmers, when the farmers delivering the product to us, we usually clean it first with this machine. So it gives the oxygen.
Yeah.
It can clean more cleaning, deep cleaning to the vegetables, something like that.
And it removes bacteria, fungus,
And
and make it more safe.
Yes, it's more safe
for packaging.
consume.
Yeah. So this is the area where first washing of the produce can be done, and also the oxygen generator is here. It will release ozone that will help in cleaning of fruits to remove any sort of bacteria, fungus or virus whichever is there. So all the best. Now we will move further and see the further process what is going on there.
Okay, so this is the sorting room. So this is the vegetables that come from the farmer that delivered to us. And now we're sorting and we're cleaning. We pick up the broken leaves or something like that and take all the good ones. And then,
So this is lettuce.
yeah, this is lettuce. That one is.
So I am watching from last 5-6 days that daily they are keep on packaging and sending this much lot every day.
Yeah.
So there are I think lot of farmers associated with this.
Yeah.
From where you are getting the produce?
It's around 50 farmers.
50 organic farmers,
They're
yeah.
active to sending us the product.
This is red spinach. So see. Just keeping all the standards, that what should be the size, free from any sort of dirt particle or those which are already broken, they should be removed and packed 200 grams per packing.
200 grams per pack.
So it means first they get it from the farmer, then they trim it,
Yes.
leaves separated.
Yes. Separate in here. But, trimming, soft passing, engraving in here.
After sorting, the leaves which are not good, they should be removed.
Not good.
Yeah, just see. And then after sorting, this packaging before sending it to market. Packet which is packed, sealed, and after sealing it is to be kept in cold storage. So there are some more products, huh?
Yeah, because in the previous room is for organic products.
okay.
And this one is for inorganic.
For inorganic, okay.
There's carrots, eggplants, and tomatoes as well.
So these are inorganic, huh?
Yeah, it's organic. The one is a cherry tomato.
So these are inorganic.
This is
Do we
not-
put any label here? No need.
Yeah.
It is not required, huh? For
It's
labeling.
not required because usually this one is 500 grams.
Okay. So it is 250 grams pack, and this one is 500 gram.
Yeah.
But these are inorganic.
These are not grams.
Okay, it is also 500 grams. Put a label here. Huh? Organic produce, which is packed or sorted, it is kept under this chamber.
Currently, in this chamber is also the product that isn't sorting yet.
These are cherry tomato.